for today's video, we will bake pizza. Our equipments that is needed are mixing bowl, spatula, measuring spoon and cups, beaker, baking sheet, and pizza pan. In making the pizza dough, we need all-purpose flour, yeast, salt, and sugar, and of course our warm milk. For our first step, combine the yeast, sugar, and salt to our warm milk. 1 teaspoon of yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Rest it for 5 minutes until the yeast become active. Next is flour, 2 and 1/2 cup of flour. Now let's combine the mixture of yeast and water and add it to the flour gradually.
Like a Hellcat.
Here we will need baking sheet to knead our dough. Grease some flour and start kneading the dough. After 5 to 10 minutes of kneading, form the dough into a circle. Cover the dough with damp towel or damp cloth and wait for 1 minute until the dough rises.
Like a Hellcat.
After I place the pizza dough to the pizza pan, I use the baking method, which is blind baking, and I bake it for 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next one is I put the pizza sauce to our pizza dough. And of course, the very enjoyable part in baking and making pizza is placing all the ingredients on the pizza on top. First, I add the grated cheese. Next one, I add my sauteed onions and mushrooms. I also add some meat. And then of course, the green bell pepper. Some tidbits pineapples, and I garnish and finish the pizza with grated cheese on top. I bake it for 218 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until my cheese is melted.